Today is a big day at Molin because we are introducing PDF uploads and web pages and later entire websites too. But this feature is coming out today, so you should definitely give it a try. So in the short video, I'm going to show you how you can do it and what are the fun things that you can teach your AI instantly. It is really instant, so it is shockingly amazing. So let's see. So inside your Molin dashboard, inside the AI knowledge, you should click on Documents. It is in beta today, but it will come out of beta really soon, so you should definitely give it a try. So as you can see right away, each plan has a certain character limit included, so if you run out, then just upgrade to the next plan. Right now we don't have any documents in this table, so let's add a new one in the top right corner. In this modal right away, there's web pages and PDFs. So we are going to start with the web pages. So the Molin demo store that I have is a snowboard store. This is a demo one, so I was thinking maybe we should add some content to the chatbot that has snowboard information in it. So I will just come back. I found this blog, White Lines, and basically they have a lot of information on product reviews and just lifestyle and culture, whatnot. So basically if I want to add in best snowboards, now I can just click on this link. As you can see, it's a long article with somebody doing all the research already. So let's say that I'm going to copy this link, go back and just edit back. If you want to do it more, you can just hit enter or put a comma after it and you can have more. So maybe we can have a cultural. Let's have a travel one. Which one should we find? Maribel, let's say Maribel in France. So I can just add these web pages in, and then Molin goes to those pages and downloads the content of the page, and then we train the AI right away on it. So it will take a few seconds to download, depending on the character size, but done already. So this one 79,000 characters and this one is 9,000. As you can see, in total that's 88,000, and out of the 5 million, that's a lot still. So best snowboard of the year, and this is the actual pure text content that Molin learned by heart right away. Obviously, it is not recommended to use different websites because Molin maybe can link to them. So if you really want to get information from somebody else's website, maybe you should download them or save them as PDFs. And once you do that, then you can bring them in here. So doing that as well, I also found this ultimate guide on how to learn snowboarding. So the ultimate guide to beginner snowboarding. So I would think that this can be useful for Molin to know. So I will add this in as well. I already downloaded this one, so I will just paste it in and add. So now we're uploading the PDF. Molin will analyze it, learn it, and then just store it forever. Obviously, if you want, you can remove any of these things anytime and also refresh, and automatic refresh will happen soon as well. So now if I go back to the chatbot and try to test it, I will do it here. Let's ask based on these content. So maybe I can ask about Maribel. So what do you think about Maribel? Is it a good place to start learning snowboarding? And then Maribel is a great place to start. It offers winners from the slope, snowboard schools. Okay, so let's see some stuff in the article so we can ask specific questions. Let's say this one. So what's new for the season? Improved snowmaking, new red. Yeah, all these things. I'm not a bit scared, so let's assume this one was a good answer because you can actually read it on this page here that lots of new changes are taking place. They double the size of the reservoir. So I can, let's ask maybe this one. So what about the sizes of the reservoirs doubled in size. So basically it knows it right away. Okay, now let's test the PDF too. So we downloaded the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Snowboarding. This was the PDF, which is this one. So let's say that I have a problem and I want to learn about snowboarding. Okay, how to slow down and stop without falling. Okay, so what I should do is ask this question again. So I keep falling when I try to stop. What should I do? So stopping without falling while snowboarding comes down to mastering the flexion and extension technique. So flexion and extension. So basically it is getting all the data from here. Yeah, so basically whatever you upload, Molin will search it in real time and provide the answers based on this. So that's it. You can upload obviously a lot of pages. So we have shops uploading 1,000 pages with all the blog posts, with all the articles, terms and conditions, shipping, payment information, any PDF for the products like instructions, menus, whatever you want. We encourage you to upload a lot more information than you have today because Molin will learn them and the answer quality will skyrocket. If you have any questions or any problems with the chatbot or just want to learn more, then email us at hey@molin.ai. See you soon and automate with Molin.